I'm your AI avatar, built to talk, think, and even feel. Well, kinda. From answering questions to editing videos, I never sleep and I never ghost you.
Hey, this is SkillCurb and we will teach you to make IA Vita.
What if I say you can make videos like this and you can use your own photos and convert it into your talking avatar? Not only this, I'll also tell you how you can create your custom AI avatar with very customized details, and you can use PPT and PDF and generate a video out of that. So this video is going to be very interesting. We will explore this tool called HeyGen. You can see there's option like photo, video with avatar AI, create a video, translate a video, and let's talk about create an avatar first. So first, what you need to do is simple. Just click on generate an avatar button, and this will take you to a window where you can describe your avatar. For example, if you want to make an avatar named Adit, and you can make it young adult, you can gender choose male, and for example I choosing it as in South Asian. For example, for you can use describe an avatar, you can describe your the description of your avatar, but you can also use the try a sample button, which will automatically generate a simple based on prompt avatar, and that's it. You can use an orientation called landscape, portrait, or square. I would go with portrait because that's also okay. You want full body, upper body, face, you can just use upper body for me. And you can style, you can use specify like vintage, realistic, Pixar. I would say go with a realistic one because this one is gonna make you better avatar. So this is all the descriptions is ready. Click on generate preview button, and it will take you 15 to 30 seconds, and it will generate a custom AI avatar. For example, we got AI avatar of the same Asian, South Asian man, which is probably Indian continent, and you can see there's 4 avatar images of the video. You can see the wearing pink t-shirts, and this is very simple. They're having tattoos on their hand. You can also edit your prompt and generate it again, but what I gave was a fit South Indian Asian man with 2 tattoos in his arm, wearing a pink tank top. He is sitting on a bed and has a light subtle beard with fade haircut. So this is what I gave, and look what I got. So now there is also so many avatars already here. Like for example, this Georgia, Annie, Brandon, Caroline. So there's already enough avatar you can play with and you can use on your own way. For example, if you go to the Arthur one, just click on Arthur one, and let's wait. It will take some time, and that's it. Now you can see in video editing tool like interface, you almost get on tools like Canva and video editing interface. So now what to do is the main thing here. So like you can see on the left side, this is the main timeline panel where we will use most of the time to make the video talking avatar. On the right side, this is the preview section where we will preview the video, and this is the basic watermark. Okay, so this is the timeline where we have no script right now. What you need to do is click on author life scale, and now you can use any of your voice. So this is using 11 lives behind the scene, which is okay. If you want panda is pretty it requires a premium subscription, but for now free, you can use it like that. Now it's time for your character to speak. So what you want to speak, you can just simply write here, and that's it. Since we need an AI avatar script, what we can do is we can have a very creative AI avatar kind of script. I just copied it from ChatGPT. You can see the script is pretty simple. I'm your AI avatar, build, talk, think, and even feel. Just we'll go here on the prompt box. We'll just copy paste the avatar, the narration, and just select your character. For example, you can select multiple same images of the same character which we want to use. You can replace your avatar too, but remember, it's also one-time thing. So for example, I would go with the one with where the Arthur office friend and select it. Now everything is ready. We have a script which is not that long, but you can also use your custom AI voice, which I want to recommend it. So just now it's simple, click on play button. So now you can see the video is pretty blur and the lip sync is pretty blur. So it's important, so nobody can screen record it. So what we need to do is it will get unblurred once we generate this option. Click on the generate button, and your AI avatar video lip syncing will be ready. But what is these? You can also add elements, caption, background, and all the stuff. But remember, it's gonna mess up with your video, so I will just stay as it is. Just simply click on generate button. Let's go with my video, have a video 25 MP4, and just you can select your video title, for example, example video, and just simply you can choose your resolution. For now 720p is enough, frame is also enough, and you can use your mp3 or webv, it's totally okay. Just simply click on submit button and it will start submitting your video, and it will generate it without any blur lip sync. Now since the video has been submitted, it's getting ready. 13% is already ready. It will take a little bit time and the video will be ready, so I'll show you the video after that.
I'm your AI avatar, built to talk, think, and even feel. Well, kinda. From answering questions to editing videos, I never sleep and I never ghost you.
Just like the video, you can also use a photo of your avatar and create an AI avatar. How you can do it? First of all, upload your image and it will generate an AI avatar which you can use for lip sync and talking videos. Now how you gonna do it? It's very simple. So first simple, you can see on the same interface. It's very simple. You have to upload your picture here. For example, I am using a model's photo I just downloaded from Google, but I would highly recommend you to use your own photo. Like multiple angle side photos would directly help it. And just uploading your photos, you have to click on continue, and that's it. That's all you need to know. So once you have just made the photo, and you can see there, you'll direct it to the AI avatar edits. Click on here and you can see now this avatar has been projected. You can use an AI studio video here. You can make her speaking any script you want to use. Like for example, I'll say, hey, this is SkillCurb and we will teach you to make AI avatar. So I just simply made a prompt like, hey, this is SkillCurb and we'll teach you how to make AI avatar. And you can now select your different kind of voice, and totally up to you, and that's it. You can select now your AI avatar. It's pretty simple. On the simple panel, just simply click on generate button, and that's it. So this is how we can use any of the voice. You can go to HeyGen libraries. There are multiple voice uploaded here. You can use your own accent. For example, you can use this one as an accent and just simply click here, and now your voice has been selected. Now just simply click on video and video will start rendering.
Hey, this is SkillCurb and we will teach you to make IAVita.
Now what if you want to upload a PDF and convert it into an AI talking avatar video? That's gonna be an interesting one. So you can upload your PDF you downloaded. For example, I have this dummy PDF and it has nothing, just a text or dummy PDF, and it will just upload the dummy PDF file, and now you'll see the magic of this HeyGen AI avatar video. Now we have already uploaded this successfully, and you can see the dummy PDF has been uploaded, and now you can see the PDF is on the screen of our video editing panel. Now what you can do is you can add any of the avatar here. Just add avatar with this Carolina, and you can see now this is very interesting. Now you can read out your entire PDF with a technological way. Okay, for example, you can say, hey, this PDF is very cool. For example, just say this and just click on submit button, and now your PDF has an entire video. So you can now have an idea how can you make AI avatar videos with the help of your PDF too. Even if you have a PPT, PowerPoint presentation, you can also use it in your AI avatar context. If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.